Many of my viewers asked me how to make the tandoor fish. I have showed you the tandoor chicken at home, and now I'm going to make tandoor fish at home. I'm going to make this with pomfret fish. So firstly, I will take some pomfret fish. I'll wash it properly and take out all the dirts from the inside, and I will mark some slits like this so that the masala goes deep inside. And now I will marinate this with lime juice and some salt, and I will marinate this and keep aside for around about 15 minutes. And this will you'll get rid of this odor of the sea fish. You have an odor in the sea fish, so you will get rid of that. And now I have used here hung cut, around about 2 tablespoons of hung cut. I have strained the water. I've kept like this for about 15 to 20 minutes, and all the water came out. So this is the hung cut. You can hang it with a muslin cloth. I'm just doing it with a strainer. And now I will take this 2 tablespoons of hung cut into a bowl. Into it I'm going to add haldi, half a teaspoon, chilli powder, half a teaspoon, coriander powder, half a teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. And mix it all together well with the hung cut. And now I will add this onion, 1 onion. I'm going to grind it in the mixer and squeeze out all the water from it. And I will add the onions here and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and mix all together. Remember, I have used here 1 onion and I have squeezed out all the water. And now I'm going to make a beautiful thing which will give color to your tandoor. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Yes, you need here mustard oil. While my mustard oil is heating, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of besan with the curd mixture. I'll mix it well. And by the meantime, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Remember, I have used salt in the marination with the fish, so taste it while adding the salt. So I'm going to add here salt to taste. Mix it well. Let me see whether my mustard oil is heat. Smoky heat we need the mustard oil. And after smoke comes out from the oil, then switch off the gas and add here 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri lal mirch. You'll get a wonderful color with this. And after that, mix it well. And now I will pour it slowly, gradually into this curd mixture and mix it well. By this you will get a beautiful red color. You need not to use any colors. In restaurant they use colors, but at home we do not want to use color. So I'm getting this with the Kashmiri red chili powder. So add gradually and start mixing it up. After mixing it up, then I'm going to add for flavor, I'm going to add kasuri methi, around about 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Crush it and add it. And now I will add 1 tablespoon of lime juice into it, and then mix it well. And now it's time for our fish to put inside. Yes, I'm putting my fish here and coat well with all the masalas, and basically from inside also the fish, just all the pockets of the fish, marinate this well. And see the way I'm doing, just follow these rules. It's very easy to make. And now I will cover it and set it in the freezer for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll make this in the oven. So I have preheated my oven in 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And now I will take out the rack from the oven and just place the marinated fish with all the masalas, coat well with the masalas. And I will brush with the oil which we have made with Kashmiri red chili powder and mustard oil. So I'm going to brush it. See the beautiful color. And now I will put it in the oven for firstly for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I will flip it out. And from the other side, I will bake it in the oven in roasted mode for about in 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes first, and then second for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, see the fish has been done well, and see the juices is coming out from inside. And now for the tandoori flavor, I'm going to place a rack roti rack or something like that into the oven, gas oven, and I'll just get the smoky flavor. Just I'll place the fish and just I'll turn it quickly on the other side, and your fish tandoori is ready to serve. Do try this and let me know in the comment section. If you don't have oven, you can make it in tawa too. For the smoky flavor, you need just place a roti stand and do it instantly the way I do it. Bye bye, take care. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment.